Susie, as was Jacob. So with our science backgrounds here, most of us, chemists, microbiologists, we have engineers, and we have a lot of crossover. Susie is a chemist. She started here as a microbiology co-op.
Yeah, I mentioned to you that I was an intern and that my degree is microbiology. I actually did work here in the microbiology lab as a student for a couple of years before I switched over to chemistry, right? The chemistry that I didn't like in school.
Well, before I get on, one of the things I do want to mention in microbiology, we have two different groups of microbiology here in water quality. And the main goal of microbiology is to either monitor water samples or look at methods, existing methods, better methods, new methods for detecting bacterial, viral, protozoan, algal contaminants. We're required to monitor for certain contaminants. If we find them, which we never do, in the water, we're required to notify. But we also look at a lot of different things that may not be currently regulated, but the methods are more improved, or maybe in the future, because of different changes in water quality, we might have to look at different constituents. Yeah, most of the people, again, have a background in some sort of science. The nice thing about the science background is, as a microbiologist, I had microbiology courses, obviously, but biology, I had chemistry courses with the minor. I had a full year of inorganic, organic, and biochemistry, physics. So it's a pretty well-rounded background. And the nice thing about the more general science backgrounds, microbiology, chemistry, is you can find yourself going in a wide range of different career opportunities. When I started out, I didn't know what I was going to do. Once I became a student intern, decided I liked the water industry, and eventually ended up here. Jacob?
Yeah, my name is Jacob Pekonchuk. I'm an assistant chemist in the organic compliance department. Our main task in our department is that we monitor the drinking water for chemicals and that are regulated by state and federal to make sure the drinking water is safe to drink. Basically, I have my degree in industrial chemistry with a minor in business management. We're all scientists here, so we're going to push the science field, obviously. There's a lot of advantages, I think, to being either, in a science-related field versus other majors. One, I think, we're kind of like to say a jack of all trades. Going to school as a science major, you need to take your math, calculus, your physics. Chemistry major like myself, obviously 4 years of chemistry, analytical chemistry, so you get the instruments to your guys' right, you can see in there. Some of them may look familiar if you watch CSI Miami and stuff. They kind of show the instrumentation. That's what I get to run every day. Different level than what a forensic lab obviously is, but so if you're interested in computers, math, chemistry, microbiology, I think this is those are the majors to go into. I really feel the society we're in, going into a technically related field is becoming more important day by day. Regulations are getting more strict. You're hearing about global warming and everything else going on, and having a technical background offers you a lot of variety going into the workforce. Like you've already noticed talking about Susie and Pat. Susie was an intern with her degree in microbiology, and now she's working in the chemistry department. I've worked at this company and one of our member agencies prior to my employment here, and that's not uncommon. There's a lot of microbiologists, biologists, chemists that will, work in one department for a while, but they have the technical background to transition to another department. So you have a lot of flexibility in your career that you may not necessarily get with other majors. One